Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix controller not working issues in Arc Raiders on PC, whether you're using an Xbox, PlayStation, Switch, or generic controller. Let's jump right into the solutions. Solution 1. Open Steam. Go to your library, right-click Arc Raiders and select Properties. On the left sidebar, click on the Controller tab. Find the Override for Arc Raiders drop-down menu. From here, select Enable Steam Input. Now launch your game and see if your controller works. If it doesn't, come back to the same menu. Open the drop-down again, and this time select Disable Steam Input. Sometimes Steam Input conflicts with the game's own controller support, so switching this setting can fix the issue. Solution 2. Open Steam again. Click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. On the left side, click Controller. You'll now see several options for controller types. Check only the one you're using. Enable Steam Input for Xbox controllers if you're using an Xbox Gamepad. For PlayStation controllers, look for PlayStation configuration support. If it's enabled and not working, try disabling it, or enable using games without support. For Switch or generic controllers, do the same. Enable or disable to test. You can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver for better compatibility. When done, close the window and restart Steam to apply the changes. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager, then open it. Expand the section called Human Interface Devices. Find your gamepad on the list, right-click it and select Disable Device. Wait a moment, then right-click again and select Enable Device. This resets your controller's connection in Windows and can fix detection issues instantly. Solution 4. Go back to Device Manager. Right-click your gamepad again and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers. Click Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your controller driver and press Next. Wait for the installation to finish, then launch Arc Raiders again and test your controller. If Windows can't find a new driver, you can also visit your controller manufacturer's website for the latest driver update. And that's it. Your controller should now be working properly in Arc Raiders on PC. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment if it worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.